Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today we are showing the practical about part 4 for the practical VTP Vlan trunking protocol. Vlan trunking protocol. The practical is based on the transparent mode. Before that earlier practical we have seen the server mode as well as client mode. So we can use we already use this switch as a server and this switch as a client. You can see the information here. You can see that show VTP status. You can see this is a server and domain name is TRP, and this is the total 7 VLAN. The 2 which are manually created and 5 is different. You can see the VLAN information by using show VLAN. You can see there are 7 default VLAN, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now similarly switch to is show VTP status. This is also this is a client mode, and we can also see the 7 VLAN. The 2 is cells per account. You can see show VLAN. You can see that 7 VLAN, 5 are default and 2 and 3 are which are manually created for SANS account. Now our next practically is for transparent mode. As usual, we earlier seen in the theory that transparent mode is used that it passes the information from one switch to another switch, like client to client or server to client, but it does not store the information like any VLAN information. So we can take the 2 switches here first. Now connect it with cross cable. Now first we can maintain the channel 23 to 24 on its switch because we have to perform trunking. 0, 23, 24. Now we have to create this switch as a transparent mode and this switch is for client mode. So use of this switch cannot store the information of VLAN database, and this switch can accept the information of switch 0, 1, 2 directly 3, not the information from it. Take the information from here, but this switch cannot store information here. So firstly go for this switch is client. Now we can create a big screen. You can see that first enable, then configuration tree. Now host name is W3 switched. First of all, we can create VTP mode. VTP mode is client server. Now we have to see the transparent mode. The mode is set. Now another thing, to passes the information of VLAN, we have to create the trunk port. So we have to trunk inform for this link. It's 23 and 24. So we have to give the range as Ethernet 0/23-24. Now command switch port mode trunk. You can see that mode is trunk. Now you can see the ports are going down, So we have to wait for some time because to passes the information. When port is bring up at up, then we can see the practical. So we just check here. Show VTP status. You can write here, do show VTP status. You can see this is a transferred mode, okay, and there are 5 VLANs. So VLAN information cannot pass, even the mode trunk mode is up, because this is the transferred mode. So VLAN VLAN information should not come from switch 2 to switch 3 because it's a transferred mode. So the transfer mode cannot store the information, it just pass the information to another switch. So now you can also check the status of show VLAN. You can see there is no any. You can see there are 23 and 23 ports are trunk. Now this is a practical of transfer mode, but we have to pass the information to this switch from switch 1, 2 to 3, 1, 2 and directly switch 4. Do not pass the information, skip this switch. So we have to create the client mode on that switch. So enable configuration, host name is W4. Okay, first of all we can check the information. First is show VTP status. You can see by default this is the server switch, and the server switch we have to configure the client mode to bring the information from switch 1, 2 to directly switch 4. So go into VTP mode client. You can see the mode is changed from server to client. Now we can change the domain name. Domain is given already TRP. You can see it's already set, because when you perform the current mode, it automatically takes the domain name. Another is VTP password. VTP password we have given CCNP. Okay, now check the status. Show VTP status. You can see this is the client mode. Number of VLAN information is 7, that we can see in the, and this is the password in protected in encrypted. Now another thing, show VLAN. These are the two cells and account VLAN information get from switch 1, 2 to direct switch 4, and to skip the switch 3 because it was a transparent mode. So guys, if you like understand very well this practical, so like this video, and to watch more video please subscribe my YouTube channel through Share Prajapati. Thank you for the today. Bye.